In this video, I will be explaining the installation process for the one switch retrofit model. Installation steps: prepare your setup, open switchboard and identify the wiring and connect the device. Step 1: prepare setup. Tools that you will be required: screwdriver, tester, pilers. Identify the switchboard that you want to automate. This is our one switch retrofit model. Now I am going to install this one switch retrofit model to our switchboard. Turn off the MCB before starting the process. Don't miss this step. Step 2: open the switchboard and identify the wiring. I have now opened the switchboard here. The red wire is the phase wire, the black wire is the neutral wire, and the blue wire are the load wires. Step 2: connect the device. On the device, you will see the terminal marked P for phase, N for neutral, and 1 for load. I am now connecting the P terminal to the phase wire in the switchboard, the N terminal to the neutral wire, and terminal 1 to the corresponding load wire. I have connected the P terminal of the device to the phase wire in the switchboard and properly installed it into the phase terminal slot. Now I am connecting the device N wire to the neutral wire in the switchboard and I have securely installed it. Now I am removing the load wire from the switchboard and connecting it to the device load 1 terminal. I have now successfully connected the switchboard load wire to the device load 1 terminal. The device has a grey colored virtual wire which needs to be connected to the switchboard. Please follow the color coding of the virtual switches while placing the wires in the switchboard load section. Since the device has only one load, I am now connecting the grey color wire to the corresponding load terminal in the switchboard. I have now successfully completed the wiring and securely placed the device behind the switchboard. The installation is now completed. Simply turn on the power to begin the configuring the device.